Hello, hi from Sub-Saharan African levels. So for this video, let's do a what's in my anik bag challenge. But before we start, this bag is from Lux Organics. It's very nice. So let's start. Let me open. Hi. First, I have the Bremod hair mask for my hair. Next is a mascara from Avon. See, Avon. Lux Organics toner. So, whitening repair akong gikuha sa Lux Organics, guys. Next is a sunscreen from Lux Organics. This is a SPF 50 plus PE, UVA, UVB protection. Daily sunscreen broad spectrum with aloe vera, centella, acetic and calendula extract. This is not greasy. This is very lightweight, guys. You must try it. Next is my lotion, body lotion, Nivea from my in-law. Thank you very much. This is my Lux Organics moisturizer. Next is a facial mask. It's very cool. It's brightening moisturizer mask. I love it. I have 5 of these. This one left only. Next is my retinol from Lux Organics. Retinol. Opens. Oh, like that. Gonna put it as for your deep wrinkle eye contour overnight cream. From mga eye bag, guys. Eye bags. Not dia. This is a moisturizer and a highlighter. It's 2-in-1 from Amazon. Look at the blush. The blush is super. And the highlighter. Look at the highlighter. I cannot see because my lights is dim. I use solar only, guys. Solar light. Let's save. This is a hand sanitizer. Uy, dagan sulod sa kumo anik-anik bag. Fairness. Kaya ganahan kita ni Kiriri. Nagamit ta sa iyahang deodorant, the Grace and Glow Bright and Smooth Deodorant Serum with niacinamide and AHA. Well, guys, grabe, humot siya, guys. Humot siya. Nani siya. Put it. Humot kayo. Mura ka ga cologne. Pwede na ka di magamit og cologne if you use this. It's very humot. Next is the serum. Miracles Lux Organic Serum. The Mirror's Bright. Lux Organics ako mga gamit, guys. Cologne Delicent from Bench. Basta siya. And ako powder deodorant. Iput na to ni sa ato ang shoes. Look at this, guys. Butan na to na siya sa atong shoes so that mawala ang odor. Next is my lippy. This lippy is from Dior. It was given to me by my aunt. Ay, wala din i-give. Ako rin gisulod largo sa akong bag. Pero wala na siya isulod. Kaya gamit na gamit siya. Gamit na gamit. For almost a year. Oh, 2 years ago. Diba? Gamit na gamit si Madi. Very nice. And my MAC Lippy from my Marine. Guba na guys siya guys. Okay. Always when ako ginagamit. I always use this red. Hindi naman kayo ganahan og red, no? Next is from Maybelline Super Stay. I have 12 of these, but different shade. But I forgot, ipanghatag na akong uban. So, mo na lang siya nabilin nga color. Next is my Zuzu Kitty given by my Marine. Thank you very much. The L'Oreal Ultra Matte Liquid Lipstick from my aunt. Look at her guys. Where's the chocolate? Chocolate. Next is my lip serum. From Lux Organics. Look at it. I wanna be there also run guys. Kasi anak niyo musik mong lips. Oh. Overnight na siya mo gamiton guys. Overnight. Next is my Jo Malone. Very cute kaya akong Jo Malone. It's wood sage and sea salt. Jo Malone cologne. Pero di na ko kayo siya gamiton guys. Kasayangan ko. Pag weeding, I use this for weeding. Pero kung normal lang, I use this bench. Pag church, katong sa akong mama, dala sa akong auntie. Di ba ito siya maigo aning bagay, very dako, very bugatod siya. Oy. Next is my skin fighter for my katol-katol. Kanang paakon tog mga lamok, mga basta na mga katol-katol. Very effective. Kaya siya is very effective. Next is my curler. This curler I've been using this for almost 4 years. Ha! Look at that. Curler. The Need O2 Lippy. Guys. Lip therapy from Vaseline. And my cetirizine. I always bring this cause I have an allergy. So, articate ang mga pamanit, guys. I have this. Next, I have a 5 peso coin and a cotton. This is not my last cotton. Ganan ko niya guys nga cotton cause kung mo siya isa-isa lang mo like this cotton balls. So that's it. I'm done. And look at my bag. It's very huge. My anik bag is very huge. So thank you for watching. Goodbye. Babush.